is here from function, part of ITF. This is also one of the easy question. You have to find domain of sine inverse 1 by x square minus 2x minus 1. How to find domain? For sine inverse x, this will become 1 by x square minus 2x minus 1, lie between minus 1 to plus 1, or you can write magnitude of this less than equal to 1. So cross multiply this, you will get 1 less than is equal to magnitude of x square minus 2x minus 1. So if you open this modulus, you will get x square minus 2x minus 1 less than equal to minus 1, or x square minus 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 1. So simplify, and then after you will get your answer. How to simplify? This will get cancelled. You will get x square minus 2x less than equal to 0. From here you will get x lie between 0 to 2. This is your A. And from here, if you simplify this portion, you will get x square minus 2x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. This is a quadratic. Roots of this equation is 1 plus minus root 3. So from here, you will get x belong to minus infinity to 1 minus root 3 union 1 plus root 3 to infinity. So suppose this is B. Your answer is A union B. If you take A union B, you will get minus infinity to 1 minus root 3 union 0 to 2 union 1 plus root 3 to infinity. So from here you can get alpha, beta, delta, lambda, everything. So what is alpha? Alpha is 1 minus root 3. And from here beta is 0. And delta is 2. And lambda you will get 1 plus root 3. You have to find sum of these all. If you add these all, you will get minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. 2 plus 1 plus 1. How much? 4. So your second option is correct. Easy question. Next question is from AOD, monotonicity. This is also one of the easy question. You have to check this function is differentiable or not, or increasing, decreasing also in the given interval. How to check? This is given ln x, not mod. So first of all, redefine this function. So if we redefine this function, you need to take x positive, because x is argument of log, which is always positive. So if x lie between 0 to 1, this part will be negative. Ln x will be negative. So if you remove modulus, you will get minus ln x. And between 0 to 1, this part also negative. So you will get minus of minus x minus 1. Now if you take x greater than or equal to 1, then you will get ln x positive. So you can remove modulus, and this part is also positive. So this will become minus x plus 1. So this thing you are getting after redefining the function. Now you have to check differentiability. First you need to check function is continuous or not. If you put here 1, ln 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. If you put here 1, ln 1 0, 1 minus 1 also 0. So this is continuous at x equal to 1. So you can directly differentiate this function. You will get minus 1 by x plus 1 for 0 to 1. And this one is 1 by x minus 1 for x greater than 1. Now check at 1 continuous or not. If you put 1 minus 1 plus 1 0, and here also 0, so this is continuous at x equal to 1, means this function is differentiable at x equal to 1. So this function is differentiable everywhere. For x greater than 0, first statement is correct. Second, increasing decreasing you have to check. So how to check increasing decreasing? If function is increasing in any interval, then f dash x is positive, है ना? So for 1 to infinity, for more than 1, if you put any value more than 1, you will get negative here, this portion. That means function is not increasing in 1 to infinity. If you put any value from 0 to 1 here, you will get negative also this part. So function is decreasing in 0 to 1. So third of a statement is correct and first is correct. So which option is your correct answer? First and third is true. So first option is correct. Okay. Next question. This is from limit, a standard limit. You can, and very easy question, you can easily solve. Limit x tending to 0. Convert this tan into sine by cos. You can write sine of tan x by cos of tan x minus sine of sin x by cos of sin x whole divided by tan x minus sin x. Now take LCM. You will get limit x tending to 0. This will become sine of tan x cos of sin x. Sine of sin x cos of tan x. So numerator you will get sine of a minus b. So tan x minus sin x. And denominator you will get tan x minus sin x times cos tan x into cos sin x. This is your denominator. Now apply limit. This whole part will become what? 1. Sorry. This whole part will become 1. And if you put x 0, cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0, so cos 0 is also 1. So your final limit is, limiting value is 1. So 1 is your answer. Which option is correct? First. So very easy question. And next question, this is repeated question. You can go and watch 22nd evening shift, I think. Same question is here. So how to solve this question? You have to take value of x. Suppose if you take 0, you will get y square less than 52. That means possible value of y is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, up to plus minus 7. So how many elements are here? 15. So total 15 elements for first. Now if you take x equal to plus minus 1, y square, put here 1. So 52 minus 4 will become 48. So this is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, up to how much? 48 is there, so up to plus minus 6. How many elements are there? 12 plus 1, 13. If you take plus 1, you will get 13 elements. For minus 1, also 13 elements. So total number of elements is 26. Similarly, next, x equal to plus minus 2. Y square will become, if you put here 2, 4 into 4, 16. 52 minus 16, how much? 52 minus 16, you will get 36. And 0 plus minus 1 up to 5. How many elements? 10, 11, 2 times. For plus 2 1 times and minus 2 also. So 22 elements are here. If you put x equal to plus minus 3, you will get y square less than, if you subtract 36, you will get 16. So for this, 0 plus minus 1 up to plus minus 3. So 6, 7 into 2, 14 element from here. Now if you take plus minus 4, so this will become 64. 16 into 4, 64, which is, so y square is not negative. So these are your elements. If you add this, you will get how much? 26 plus 14, you will get 40, and 55 plus 22, how much? 77. So your answer is 77. Third option is correct. Next question from function. 3fx plus 2 times f of m by 19x is equal to 15x, where m is given. So first of all, find m. From here you will get m. I square is there, I equal to 1 to 9. So you can find m, 9 into 10 into 19 by 6. So from here you will get 3, 2, 5, 15 into 19. So m is 15 into 19. Put here m. You will get 3 times fx plus 2 times f of 15 into 19. 19 get cancelled. So 15 by x is equal to 15x. Suppose this is first. Now replace x by what? Replace x by 15 by x. If you replace x by 15 by x, you will get 3 times f of 15 by x plus 2 times fx is equal to 15 square by x. This is second. Now solve these two equations. Try to cancel this 15 by x. You will get fx from here. How to cancel? So for cancel this, you need to multiply first by 3 and multiply this whole second by 2. If you multiply and then subtract, this will get cancelled. And this one is 3 into 3, 9fx by 4 minus 4fx will become how much? 5fx equal to 45x minus 15 square into 2 by x. So this is your fx. Fx will become how much? You can divide by 5, you will get 9x minus 90 by x. You will get from here. So 9 you can take common. Fx will become 9 times x minus 10 by x. And you have to find f5 minus f2. So f5 is what? Put here x equal to 5. You will get 9 into 5 minus 2, 3. So this will become 27. And f2, 9 into 2 minus 5 minus 3. This will become minus 27. So f5 minus f2 will become 54. So 54 is your answer for this question. Next, this is from area. If f alpha is the area bounded by the first quadrant by x equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to x square, y equal to mod of alpha x minus 5 minus 1 minus alpha x plus alpha x square. Then you have to find the value of f0 plus f1. So first of all, draw the graph for this. X equal to 0, this line, and x equal to 1. This line is x equal to 1. Y equal to x square. Y equal to x square. In first quadrant. Okay, so this value is also 1. Next, y equal to given, you have to find f0. So put here alpha is 0. And f of alpha is given. If you put alpha 0, then you will get. So if you put alpha here 0, y will become how much? 5 minus 1, that is 4. So y equal to 4 line. So this area you have to find. So how to find this area? Integrate. F of 0 you will get from 0 to 1. 4 minus x square dx. Now your integration will be 4x minus x cube by 3 and limit is 0 to 1. You will get 4 minus 1 by 3, which will become 11 by 3. So f of 0 is 11 by 3. Now you have to find f of 1. F of 1 is what? Put alpha is equal to 1. If you put alpha is equal to 1, you will get value of y. Mod of x minus 5, 1 minus x plus x square. But we have to take these all values between 0 to 1. So for this reason, you can remove modulus. X minus 5 will become negative for that reason. So minus x plus 5. And 1 minus x is what? If you put here less than 1, you will get positive. So same sign. Minus 1 plus x square is there. This x will get cancelled. Y is equal to 4 plus x square you will get from here. So 4 plus x square means curve like this passes through 4. And you have to find this area between 0 to 1. How to find area? Area will become 0 to 1. Upper curve is 4 plus x square. Minus lower curve is what? X square. This will get cancelled. So this is your f of 1. 4x. 0 to 1, you will get 4. So f of 1 is 4. You have to find the value of f of 0 plus f of 1. F of 0 is 11 by 3. F of 1 is 4. If you add, you will get how much? 23 by 3. Third option is your correct. So